2, 3. Hey, what's up, YouTubers? This is Swede coming at you from Silver Lake, Los Angeles. And today we're doing some cool music. We're doing Hurt by 9 Inch Nails. So this is not the Johnny Cash version. This is the original version. Okay, cool. I'll start with putting a cape on 3rd fret, please. 1, 2, 3. Song is kind of in A minor, but we have different shapes going on here. So let's bar 1st fret, D, G, D and G and B string, and then put pinky on 4th fret B string. We want to pick 5, 4, 2, and move your pinky to 5. That's that cool lick right there. Okay, excuse me. And then we're going to move to a C shape. So that's barring 3, 5, 5. So starting on the A string, 3, 5, 5, and you end on the B string. Okay, and then we're going to move this up to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then you're going to bar. You're barring 5, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, barring 5. And put your 3rd finger on 8, and you pick 5, 4, 3, and then put your pinky on top E string right there. So that's 9. Okay. Second time we play the lick, we want to lift up the pinky and end on this note. And then again. Last chord is different too. You pick 5, 5, 4, and then wait a little bit, and then play 3. So that's a versus. To that later, and then we have the chorus. Start like this. Grab 3rd fret on E string and pinky on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. D string, and this note right here will stay through the whole thing. So 5, 1, new string, 3 on the A string, pinky stays, 3, 5, and 1. Last 2 times, you're gonna go back to 3 after 1. Back to verse. Last times, this is much longer, but 2 last times, we're gonna go back to 3 E string. Building hard. All the parts. So let's review before we end the lesson. First part of the verse, pick, land on that note, and then you pick C, and you pick this chord. And the second part is, you pick, all right, and then we have the chorus. Up, and last time we go. End on that. Cool. Hurt. Thanks so much, guys, for tuning in. Great song, fun stuff to play. Don't forget to put a cape on 3rd fret if you want to play along with the record. See you tomorrow. Be safe. Take it easy.